Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a flu shot appointment with CVS online. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that it's flu season and you want to go ahead and get your flu vaccination. How do you actually go ahead and schedule it on CVS online? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to CVS. Next, once you're logged in, you want to click on Schedule Vaccinations. Now, the next thing that you're going to do here is that you need to either fill it out for yourself or fill it out for someone else. So let's pretend that we're going to fill it out for someone else. We're just going to fill out this information, click on no. And then if you have a preference of COVID-19 vaccine, you can indicate the preference, click on next. And then from here, this is where you're going to set your address or zip code and when you want the appointment to be. So if you want it to be today or tomorrow, whichever is up to you, and you can sort it by nearest or first available. But once you've done so, just click on the earliest available date. So let's say for 2:45 p.m. and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and schedule a flu shot vaccination appointment online. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.